3:27 a.m. A family sleeps soundly, unaware their home is under attack. The thief's gloved hand slips through an unlocked window. The alarm? Silent. The lights dark, the doors unlocked. They thought they were safe. They were wrong. Every 30 seconds in America, a home is broken into. But here's the shocking truth. 34% of burglars walk right through the front door. Your home isn't just vulnerable, it's screaming "come on in" to criminals. Today, we'll expose the mistakes you're making, the secrets burglars exploit, and how to turn your house into a fortress. Let's start with your perimeter. That welcome mat? It's not just decorative, it's a treasure map. Ex-burglars admit they check common hiding spots first, under mats, fake rocks, potted plants. But the real danger isn't the spare key, it's what your home's exterior is telling strangers. Those beautiful shrubs? They're cover for criminals. A 2022 study found that 83% of break-ins occur where landscaping blocks visibility. That tree branch brushing your second-floor window? It's a ladder. And that dark corner by your side door? It's an invitation to lurk undetected. Here's what most homeowners miss. Burglars aren't just looking at your house, they're reading it like a book. Piled up packages, overgrown lawn, dark at night. These are all signals you're not home. Criminals call this opportunity hunting. A home with poor visibility and weak entry points is like leaving the door open. Burglars don't need brute force, they just need a moment of vulnerability. Next, your alarm system. That keypad by your door might make you feel safe, but if it's more than 5 years old, it's obsolete. Modern burglars can bypass outdated systems in minutes, using tools like RFID cloners or signal jammers. Here's the bigger problem. 80% of homeowners never test their alarms. They're like driving a car without brakes. You don't know it's failing until it's too late. When's the last time you checked your smoke detectors, your carbon monoxide sensors, your security system's battery? Modern systems use AI, motion-activated cameras, and cellular backup. But if you're relying on a 1990s era keypad, you're playing roulette with your family's safety. Now let's talk about social media. That perfect sunset photo you posted? It's a neon sign flashing "we're gone." Criminals use algorithms to track your every post. Geotags, check-ins, even your toddler's birthday photos are clues in a crime they're solving. A 2023 FBI report revealed a 23% spike in burglaries linked to social media activity. A goodbye for 2 weeks story is a green light. A photo of your new $5,000 TV becomes a shopping list. Even your 6 a.m. run post tells them you're out. I posted about my diamond earrings on Facebook. 3 days later, my house was ransacked. They left a note. Thanks for the tip. Turn off geotags, post vacation photos after you return, and never show off valuables online. That $10,000 watch? Keep it offline. Modern security isn't about locks and alarms. It's about smart technology. Geofencing, for example, creates an invisible shield around your home. When you leave, it automatically arms your system, adjusts your thermostat, and keeps lights on a random schedule. As you drive away, your smart lockbox deactivates temporary codes, your motion sensor lights double their sensitivity, and your thermostat drops to energy-saving mode. When you return, your garage door opens automatically, and your security system disarms, only after confirming it's really you. Geofencing isn't just for security. It can save you 10 to 15% on energy bills. A smart thermostat cuts heating costs by dropping temps when you're gone. Smart plugs eliminate phantom power waste, and insurance companies offer discounts for these systems, up to 20% off premiums. This isn't sci-fi. A basic setup pays for itself in 12 months, and it's easy. Most systems integrate with your phone in minutes. Technology also protects your family. With geofencing, you can track your kids' journeys. A teen walking home from school? The system alerts you the moment they enter a safety zone. If they're late, you're notified instantly. Managing household staff? Set time-limited access for caregivers, elderly parents. Monitor their movements without making them feel watched. Even pets can benefit. Geofencing can alert you if your dog escapes the yard. This isn't surveillance, it's peace of mind. Let's talk about what happens when you ignore these lessons. Meet the Johnsons. Their unlocked back door cost them $50,000 in stolen electronics. The Garcias? A geotagged vacation photo led to a break-in while their toddler was home alone. Burglars don't just take valuables, they steal your sense of safety. They destroy memories. They leave you questioning every second you weren't there. Here's a mistake you've never considered: your phone's ringer. Burglars often call your number to see if it's answered. If it rings unanswered, they know you're not home. Worse, smart speakers like Alexa or Google Home can blare notifications, alerting intruders to your absence. Fix it. Silence your phone when leaving the house. Disable smart speaker notifications. Use voicemail or a landline to screen calls. A ringing phone is a burglar's Morse code. Silence it, or pay the price. Your front door's lock might be your weakest link. Cheap deadbolts, they're easy to break. Knob locks, a crowbar can pop them open in seconds. A 2023 study found 60% of break-ins occurred due to weak locks. Fix it. Use grade 1 deadbolts with 1-inch throws. Add a reinforced strike plate anchored into the door frame. Never rely on a single lock. Use a combination of door, window, and shed locks. Most burglars target windows hidden from view, behind fences, sheds, or thick landscaping. Keep bushes trimmed below window level and remove objects that could be used as climbing aids. Use gravel or stone beds under windows. Footsteps on gravel make noise and alert you to movement. Mark your territory. Post security signs and place visible cameras, even fake ones, near windows to deter prowlers. At night, keep window shades drawn and use outdoor lighting to eliminate hiding spots. The goal? Make every window visible, noisy, and uninviting to anyone who doesn't belong. Criminals fear the unknown. Your best weapon? Unpredictability. Change your routine, move your car, leave shoes by the door, even when you're away. Post a visible sign, beware of dog, even if you don't have one. Hang a large dog leash or bowl by the door. The threat alone can make intruders think twice. Neighborhood watch stickers, alarm company signs, and 24-hour surveillance decals, even if you don't have a system, create doubt in a criminal's mind. The more questions you raise, the less likely a burglar will risk it. Fear of the unknown is your greatest defense. Burglars are deterred by unpredictability. Change your routine, leave a radio on, or play a podcast at random hours. Ask a neighbor to park in your driveway or move your trash bins while you're away. These subtle changes suggest someone is home. Leave shoes or a large dog bowl by the front door. Even a pair of muddy boots can make a criminal think twice. The illusion of presence is about creativity, not just technology. Mix up your signals, and make your home a question mark for anyone watching. Want a unique edge? Use creative landscaping to shape your home's security, without sacrificing beauty. Water features, like ponds or narrow streams, can act as natural barriers, guiding visitors and deterring trespassers. Low garden walls, decorative boulders, and raised planters subtly direct foot traffic and make it harder for intruders to approach unseen. Use gravel or crushed stone paths. These make a distinct sound when walked on, alerting you to unexpected movement. Mix beauty and security. Choose plants with thorns or dense foliage for key spots, but add color and texture for curb appeal. Walk outside right now. Look at your home, not as its owner, but as a burglar would. What do you see? That's where you start. Most burglars still try the front door first, but there are new ways to outsmart them. Install a smart door viewer or video doorbell to see who's outside, without opening the door. Add an anti-kick device or door reinforcement plate to stop forced entry. For extra security, use a one-sided deadbolt or a door barricade when you're home. Burglars love windows that are hidden from view, like those behind tall bushes or fences. Keep your windows visible from the street to deter break-ins. Use privacy window films or frosted glass to block prying eyes, especially on ground-level windows. Install secondary locks or pin locks on sliding windows to prevent them from being forced open. Your yard can be your first line of defense. Gravel walkways make every step heard, alerting you to movement. Secure your shed and outbuildings with strong locks. Burglars often target these for tools. Post visible security signs and install a gate with a lock to deter trespassers. The right yard setup doesn't just look good, it sends a clear message. This home is protected. Criminals fear uncertainty. The more unpredictable your home appears, the less likely they are to strike. Neighborhood watch signs and visible patrols send a clear message. This community is alert and ready. Even a simple sign warning of surveillance or a security patrol can make a burglar move on to an easier target. Criminals scan your trash for clues about your lifestyle and recent purchases, but there are ways to outsmart them. Use a locked outdoor trash bin or keep bins inside your garage until pickup day. If possible, use a community dumpster or schedule bulk pickups to avoid leaving boxes on the curb. Burglars notice when a home looks unoccupied for days, mail piling up, garbage bins left out, or curtains never moving. Ask a trusted neighbor to park in your driveway or move your bins, simple actions that suggest someone's home. Leave a radio or talk show playing at low volume near the front door to create the sound of conversation. Change curtain positions or open and close blinds before leaving, so your home doesn't look frozen in time. The illusion of presence is about details. Don't let your home broadcast that it's empty, make it unpredictable. For true security, upgrade to smart locks with encrypted access codes and automatic alerts. Unlike old locks, these notify you instantly if tampered with. No more guessing if your door is secure. And always update your lock's firmware to patch vulnerabilities hackers might exploit. Darkness gives burglars confidence, but you can outsmart them with layered lighting and privacy strategies. Use a mix of porch lights, pathway lights, and soft garden lighting to eliminate hiding spots, without making your home look harsh or empty. Choose warm-toned bulbs for a lived-in look, and avoid bright white lights that signal no one's home. For privacy, use outdoor curtains, frosted glass, or privacy screens on patios and windows, so you control what outsiders see. The right lighting and privacy features make your home feel safe, lived in, and off-limits to intruders. Natural barriers can do more than just slow down intruders. They can actively alert you to their presence. Crunchy gravel or loose stone walkways make it impossible for someone to approach quietly. Water features like ponds or streams can act as natural boundaries that are difficult to cross without being noticed. Unusual hedges like holly or pyracantha can be shaped into dense, maze-like borders that confuse and delay trespassers. The right landscaping doesn't just block access, it makes every step risky, loud, and visible. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video for more content on home security. Take one step further. Gather your family tonight and create a home security plan together. Walk through your house, talk about what to do in an emergency, and make sure everyone knows how to stay safe. Empower your loved ones, because real security starts with everyone being prepared, not just protected. Before you go, take one action. Schedule a free security audit for your home. Knowledge is your best defense. Let us know what your first action would be after watching this video in the comment section, because protecting your loved ones starts with a single step.